We're heading to Tamarindo to check it out. We have to check out of our Airbnb here in Playa Flamingo tomorrow morning. So we're just gonna go check it out and see if we want to stay there for a week. We also want to check out the farmer's market.
You ready?
Yeah.
You got your mask?
Yeah, so our plan is, we don't have a plan.
Leave the house first.
Okay, we're gonna leave the house. We're gonna try to get a taxi. If we don't get a taxi, then I will call a taxi. Tamarindo is about 30 minutes south, so we'll figure it out together. We made it to Tamarindo. Taxi driver was a success. My only advice is to know how much you're willing to pay. Have a plan before, because the transaction goes so fast that you might get lost in the sauce and end up paying more, which we initially did, but then I figured it out and fixed it. So first stop is the restroom. How was it?
It's good. It wasn't bad, actually. What?
Your hands clean?
Yeah.
But we're here at the farmer's market. There's a lot of locals here, so they're able to guide us in the right direction.
Yeah, I don't, this way I don't go, I get
And I do kombucha a little bit different than everybody else.
We finally got coffee. And it's delicious. Want to try new stuff?
You know it? I want to try new stuff. Is that a star fruit?
Well, we want to get the mango one, I believe, right?
Yeah.
You want to try passion fruit or tamarindo?
Sure, we'll
Yeah.
try another one.
Aprovechar para saludar a Maino. Maino, muchísimas gracias porque me dijo la vez pasada que los compañeros que traducen porque yo escucho el programa del team. Me quedo.
It's a quiet walk back to the Airbnb because we are exhausted. If you are interested in going jet skiing, we suggest that 30 minutes is efficient enough, because an hour, which we did, is just too long. Your hand hurts, your knees hurt. ATV out to a secluded, or more like a family beach. Had a pineapple drink. And then we waited. And then we waited some more. And then we waited a little more for the jet skis. The jet skis was fun. Saw a dead snake. Luke saw some fish. Gecko in here. breakfast at Breaking Bread.